Hey guys, what's up, my people? Welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. It's your boy Chef Blake is in the kitchen, and today, guys, I'm gonna go over and show you my ingredients that I'm working with today. It's another awesome episode. You guys gonna definitely enjoy this video. It's delicious, it's healthy food I'm cooking, guys. Summertime, so let's get into it. First, I'm gonna ask you guys, come on, I want you guys to tell me, what do you think I'm making here? Look at my ingredients, check them out, try to determine what they are, and then try to determine, go ahead and comment on the channel. Tell me if you can determine what I am trying to make today. Take a look. Here we go. We got the corn, we have the mushroom, we got the peppers, we got the green peppers, the red peppers, we have the yellow squash, and we have the cucumbers, and we have these nice sticks for skewers. Did you get it yet? Okay, don't cheat. Go ahead and comment if you know what I'm making. Yes, guys, I'm making some Mediterranean kebabs, okay? Some skewers. It's gonna be real nice with my chicken breast. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna debone them and get them all up and running, seasoning looking good. Now we're gonna grill them and we're gonna have an awesome meal. You guys definitely. Okay guys, my machine just went off, so before I get started I gotta remove my Jamaican style beef patties. So they're hot. Let's get out the oven. Oh man, they're looking good. Guys, so here we are. Our chicken is cut up, guys. All you want to do is cut it up in small cubes, just like this, and the size you want. Remember, the size doesn't matter. It depends on how you like it. Do you like it smaller or you like it a little bigger? For me, I don't like it too small, not too big. I think these are perfect. So now it's time for me to go ahead and wash my chicken and start to get my vegetable prep. So chicken is all cut up and ready to go. Yes, peeps. Wanna say, looking good? Yes, good to go. Yeah, man. That's what the thing said. Yardman style kebabs. Yeah, Mediterranean style. I know what time it is. Summertime. When I say eating healthy in the neighborhood, yeah, that's how we do it, man. Yardman style kebabs. Time for us to go ahead and fire them up. Get them up and running. Yeah. Enjoy the spectacle. That's how we do it. Remember, guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button. Join the Facebook. All right, first one in. Yes, peeps. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking delicious. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, my peeps, this is the final products. My chicken kebabs is out the oven. They are ready and ready to go. So if you are hungry, it's time for us to eat. Look at the texture, guys. It smells so good. Came out real nice. We couldn't expect better of these mouth-watering, delicious kebabs. Yes, guys, summertime. Summertime. Cooking, eating good in the neighborhood. That's what it's all about. Cooking and eating healthy. Yes, guys. They all come out the grill. Some was done in the oven. This one was done in the grill. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. This one was done on a grill, but it came out looking just like the others. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see this texture here. Look at it. It came out just the same. You know, there's no difference in the way they came out. Came out looking good, delicious, and tasty. Yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this little presentation and this video. You know what I mean? You can try it, you know, summertimes, eating good. You know what I mean? Knock off the fat off your chicken so you know it's healthy. It's less cholesterol. So these are good, healthy food, healthy choice meal. Quarantine time. So, eating good. Take care of yourself, guys. Eat good, get enough exercise, looking young and healthy, just like here. Alright, guys, remember to thumbs up the video, subscribes. If you're new to the channel, remember to go ahead, consider subscribing, joining. Follow me on Instagram, BlakeWrTv Kitchen. And you know what time it is on Facebook as well. It's the same thing. In the meantime, love, walk good, take care of yourself. And the next video, check out my other video on the channel as well. There's a whole bunch of videos up there, guys, with some delicious food, irresistible recipes, and trust me, guys, will light up your taste bud. These food make your mouth watery, trust me. Thank you for hanging out, checking out Kaboom! Yardman cooking.
You know what time it is. Your boy Blake is in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook. Your yard eat for your yard.